गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हचं यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
Also has become equally important. All sorts of replies are elicited from all departments, from every corner, the whole year round. So it is basically become a very transparent system, which was not the case before.
पण तुमकां दिसता 5 वर्सांनी असेंब्ली सेशन जे तुमल्यान गव्हर्मेंट हेज सगळें सारकें केलां ओ म्हणजे लोकांक कितें जाणा जावपाक जाता असेंब्ली सेशनांतल्यान घातलां सगळें.
Of course, I have no doubt about that. We have never been afraid to answer any question or to give any reply. आणि लोकां जी माहिती मेळपा जाय ती माहिती आमी दिला.
सो सर दोनूच दीस असेंब्ली सेशना सो ऑपोजिशनान कितें ओपोज बी केले आवाज बी
ना कांयच ना बिलकुल ना. इट इज अ व्हेरी कॉर्डियल मीटिंग.
So everybody was on one.
Everybody was on the same page. I think now everybody is thinking of the forthcoming election, even though they have not been declared.
Afraid or unafraid?
Huh?
Afraid or unafraid?
Everybody is thinking, I said. I never said
सो
afraid.
बिझनेसान इम्पॉर्टंट अशें कितें आसतलें
Huh?
इम्पॉर्टंट अशें कितें आसतलें बिझनेसान हायलायट्स अश्यो
Highlight, I said it is normal business.
क्वेश्चन आवर आनी डिस्कशन येतलें
Only government bills will be there, which are always there.
Okay.
भूमिपुत्र अधिकारिणी बिल
thanks.
No, that the Bhumiputra Adhikari bill, we are not
Tabling.
tabling it at all.
Okay, so then not.
No.
So what
Still
does it mean that it
acceptable.
is scrapped or what it is?
लॅप्स जातले न्हू
Lapse.
It will lapse.
Lapse, yeah.
It will be allowed to lapse because government had a rethink and felt that it needs much more wider consultation, which we will do in the next assembly session because
New
with the new
government.
assembly, with the new government, when everything will be new. So
Where
we will
you
have a
will-
new bill at
where
that
you will
time
also
if
be there.
required.
Where you will also be there.
That is for the people to decide.
So one more thing, there is this clashes between Goa Miles and private tech agents started in the coastal road. What do you like to say?
See, this is going to be an ongoing tussle. I have said very clearly what is my stand. I have spelled out. Like tomorrow, I am handing over 2 counters at the airport, which were lying with tourism, which they had given to Goa Miles to use. I am handing them over to the taxi operators, black and yellow taxi operators. Not 1 counter, but 2 counters. 1 counter we are keeping for KTC. So any emergency, we have our own counter. Last time we faced a problem. And certain routes in due course of time, once the electrical buses come, point to point I want to have electrical buses. So people have a choice of traveling in the bus as well in luxury. So it is not anybody's monopoly. It is high time that we realize that in tourism, we have to see the interests of the tourist, see the interests of the Goan, the common man as far as traveling comfort is concerned, even those who arrive by flight, not have a situation where in the past there was like a monopoly. Whatever they charge, even if it is 5 times, 10 times, people were forced to pay. Now with the digital meter, it is not the case anymore.
So, but why the action is not?
हरीश फाटल्यान वचचे लाईव्ह
म्हणजे बाबा 2 दिसांची असेंब्ली सेशन आणि एव्हरीबडी वॉज ऑन द सेम प्लॅटफॉर्म बोर्ड. आर यू ओके विथ दिस?
2 दिसांचे सेशन आसून व्हडलें सेशन आसचें चड करून लास्ट सेशन म्हणून. पूण कितें आहा, वन्स दे हॅव डिसायडेड ऑन 2 days आमच्या हातान तें कांय नासता की आमी ते एक्स्ट्रा मागतले. आतां बिझनस ट्रान्झॅक्ट आमी एक ताजेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडलां म्हणजे भूमिपुत्राचें. आज न्यूज आहा की भूमिपुत्राचें बील एसेंटाक धाडलां. I have filed a petition with the governor. So I expected that जर एसेंटाक धाडलां जाल्यार we would be taken as parties to it. I think खंय तरी ताजें that thing has been misreported. कितें तरी चुकलां. They have claimed that it is not under rule 138. We have not sent. अशें म्हणून ताणें सांगिल्लें आहा. This is what is the issue I raised. But nothing much can come out in this session other than routine stuff. हे सगळें इवन ट्री एक्ट जो आहा तांचे जो प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ ट्रीज एक्ट तातूंत तो सेन्सस तांकां करपाक नाका. सो वेरेवर नेसेसरी म्हणून घालून ते सुट्टात तातूंत.
सो यू ओके?
इट्स नॉट अबाउट बीइंग ओके.
Means opposition
इट इज अबाउट सी यू आर
time
स्ट्रेट जॅकेट you are put in a corner. And this is the agenda.
Okay.
You cannot decide the agenda. You cannot say, I want 10-day session. I want 10-day session. I am of the
लास्ट
belief
टाइम
that
तुम्ही डिमांड करता
करता पण आज in the meeting of the business advisory committee, you cannot demand more days of session. You can only go by what is the business to be transacted in the session.
ते म्हणतात तुम्ही काय अपोज करू ना तुमचं कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तुमचं टेन्शन आहा तुमचं थंय टाइम स्पेंड करता
कोण म्हणटालो
आता म्हणटालो
आता म्हणतात चर्चिल
कोण म्हणटाले पळय चर्चिल बिर्चिल कितें म्हणटा तें म्हाका खबर ना. आमकां कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचें टेन्शन आमकां ना. आमचें काम म्हणटा तें कायदे करप, लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्लीन येवप, लेजिस्लेचर्स म्हणून काम करप आनी आमकां 50 दीस सेशन जावचें वर्साक. हे 50वे एनिवर्सरीच्यान हांव डिमांड करीत आहा. तेन्ना खंयचोच सरकार आयकना.
ओके वन मोर थिंग आता पयर ह्या दिसांनी नवरात्री चलता आणि ह्या दिसा तुवें पयर एक स्टेटमेंट केलो की सेईंग दॅट यू नीड टू यू स्पोक अबाउट अलायन्स एंड ऑल. सो
I have said that we have to awaken the Durga in us. मग दुर्गा पूजा ती नवरात्री म्हणटा ती दुर्गा मातेक आमी पुजतात आनी मागतात तिचे कडेन बरें कितें बरें जावचें म्हणून. तो अ गुड न्यू सकाळ यो
कीपिंग काँग्रेस असाइड वॉट इट इज लायक.
पळय अशें आहा 2 वर्सां जालीं 2020 जानेवारी 1 रेझोल्युशन म्हजें आसलें की टीम गोवा म्हणटा ती जावची. आनी तुका दिसता की आमी जर टीम गोवा केल्ली तेन्ना ह्यो खंयच्यो पक्ष येवपाचे कोण येवपाचो न्ही. आतां तांकां इन्विटेशन दिना बाय इनएक्शन कांय करीत ना. एंड द काँग्रेस पार्टी इज टॉकिंग इन डायकॉटमी इन देअर वर्ड्स. एक साइड मेक्स अस होस्टेज टू अ सिच्युएशन वेर बाय डिफॉल्ट दिस गव्हर्नमेंट कॅन कम बॅक अगेन. So we have to be very conscious, and I am willing to make any sacrifice to ensure that BJP does not come to power again in Goa.
मीनवाईल तुमकां टीएमसी और आयपॅक बी मेळ्ळे तुमच्या वांगडा मिटींग केली.
आयपॅक म्हाका प्रशांत किशोर पयलीं मेळ्ळो म्हळ्यार तुमकां सांगिल्लें. So everybody is in touch with everyone. This is election season.
So options you will look out for.
We have to look for options. 100% we have to look for options.
Okay.
We cannot rest idle and allow another 5 years for this government.
काँग्रेस ऑन बोर्ड येना जाल्यार दुसऱ्या
ना
बरोबर
काँग्रेस बोर्ड येता येना म्हाका खबर ना. आय एम नॉट गिविंग एन अल्टिमेटम.
force तयार जातलो.
आय एम नॉट गिविंग अल्टिमेटम टू काँग्रेस. As far as I am concerned, officially our talks with Congress are suspended. But what they are talking privately to people close to us and what is coming on the paper are completely two different things. So हातून लोक घुसपल्या आनी लोकांक एक निराशा जाल्या. People are feeling a hopeless situation. की बाबा हें जावन अशेंच जावन आतां आमी वतले आमी. आनी एक रियलिटी आहा की मगो पक्ष आनी गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी. There are only two regional parties in
No, but Mago
and we have a stand. We have a stand, we have an ideology, and we have a presence in the assembly. But with these big players coming in, especially with regard to resources and with regard to the type of infrastructure that they come with, this sub-regionalism, to keep it alive, and also to fight the BJP at the same time, this becomes a challenge. So we will have to rethink new
even
strategies.
AAP has a certain presence, so Vijay can even alliance with AAP. What
रिजनल
it is.
फोर्सेस एकीकडे जावचे म्हणटा सर तुम्ही
Regional forces एक जाऊन बसून
जावचे ना.
हे जे प्रिवेलिंग सिच्युएशन अशें आसा की यू कॅन बी सबज्युम्ड बाय बिगर प्लेयर्स. इट इज लायक टॉपकोला वर्सीस कोकोकोला तशें जावपाक लागिल्लें आहा. सो कितें कोकोकोला सिकेरीचो सगळ्यांक जाय आशिल्लो जायच आशिल्लो पूण कोकोकोला आयलो आनी टॉपकोला ना जालो. सो आमी ना जावंक सोदनात. आमकां गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारपण हें फुडें व्हरपाचेंच आहा आनी आमी सगळ्यांक बरोबर घेवन
alliance between Goa Forward and MCP. In principle,
No, I am not saying anything. I am not saying about an alliance. I am only saying that we have to look for options. We have to look for options to see that BJP does not come back to power by default.
But at the moment,
See, because one party does not do its duty, the others should not stop and say, "Arey Baba, it was their job. They didn't do it. Now we are like this." No, we will move our. Mahagathbandhan होगा या नहीं